What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a really colorful corally red eye. I just kind of opened up my 35B palette, which I just found out today is being discontinued, but I still wanted to film this in case anyone did have that palette and wanted to follow along. But yeah, I think we're gonna do the corally red look that I was thinking of. So let's just hop into that. My face is already done. I might have a few lines on my forehead because I just got back from work, and I just touched up my bronzer on my forehead a little bit and had my foundation on and stuff all day. So I just threw my hair up in a little half top knot thing and now we're rolling. So let's jump into the tutorial. Oh, I also want to point out that my background is kind of different. My bed used to be right here and now it's to my side. So I might have like products on my bed over here, and I also like took things off of like my shelves. We kind of switched it up in here. So if you want a room tour, I can totally do that. I know I do a lot of room tours because I switch like college rooms a lot. But let me know, comment down below, and make sure to click the subscribe and like buttons while you're at it. And yeah, like I said, let's just get into this. Okay, so I'm gonna take a Morphe E27 and I'm gonna go into this shade right here. This is gonna be our transition shade. I just want to start out soft and work our way up to the really intense corally red shades. But yeah, for right now, we're gonna start out with this soft pink right in the crease, and we're gonna really blow that out. Okay, so now that we have that soft pink transition shade laid down, we're going to jump into this shade right here, which is kind of what gave me the idea to do the corally colors, because I actually have never done a coral eye before. So yeah, this is the first time for me, maybe a first time for you. We're in this together. So I'm just gonna start like placing that basically like right below where we put that pink shade. And this is a super bright color. Like I'm using like the lightest hand and it's already like, whoa. Oh, this is on a Morphe R34. I honestly could have started out with this as the transition shade. It's really pretty. I am digging this color. Wow. Wow. That was like my best like Owen Wilson impression, but yeah, obviously it wasn't that good, but we'll pretend. All right, I'm just gonna go back in with that same E27 that we used that light pink shade on, and we're just going to make sure that everything is blended together. Okay, on a Morphe B80, I love this to use on my outer corner right here. I'm going to basically like, I'm gonna mix like these two together and pack this on the outer corner with this brush just to darken it and give us a little bit of depth. I'm just gonna slightly drag it in. That looks really intense, but in like real life, it's like not that bad. I promise. Going back in with the R34, and we're just going to blend the edges out with no excess product on the brush. This looks like really pink, so I'm gonna take that same brush and just dip it into the red, just so we can deepen it even more without, you know, using that corally shade. So let's do that. I'm gonna take the E27 and blend everything together, just so we have like more blown out pinky corally deep outer corner. I honestly don't know what I'm saying right now. Just like blown away by these colors. They're like intense AF. Okay, and on a Morphe B38, very similar to the B80. I actually bought the B80 because I loved this brush so much, but the B80 is just like smaller. I use this to like pack on color, not necessarily to blend it out. I just think this does a really good job of not being a packer brush, but packing color on, if that makes any sense. I'm gonna go in with these two colors, and we're gonna go in the middle of the eye right here. You kind of see how that, like, mixing that coral with the orange is just like intensifying the coraliness of this entire look. Like, it looks really pink, but then you add that orange in and boom, coral. Okay, I'm gonna take a Morphe M433, which is like the dupe for the MAC 217, which I've never owned in my life, but this is just what I'm getting from other YouTubers and stuff. So I'm just gonna take that and blend that corally shade into the red pinky color. This is like so intense on camera, wow, but it looks so awesome. Oh my god. Now I'm just gonna take this orange, like these two orangey colors, and I'm going to like put these in the innermost part of the eyelid and kind of drag them in just like slightly. So intense, so intense. I'm gonna take this Real Techniques setting brush and just kind of wipe away this orangey color that has gotten on my lower lash line, even though we're basically gonna put it right where it is anyways. Ooh. But I'm gonna take the E27, actually no, I'm gonna take the R34 from Morphe and blend all three of those together in the crease, just to make sure there are no harsh lines between the pinky red to the orange on the inner corner. I'm not even sure if you can like see everything, but it's like super cute, super. This is like turning out to be almost like a sunsetty eye, but like not really. It's awesome though. Okay, I'm gonna take just the plain orange on this little pencil brush, and this is gonna be our inner corner, because I don't know, I feel like that is gonna be so dope when we drag it all the way underneath. I think so, guys. It's gonna be so dope. Okay, on this little eye crease brush, it's more of a pencil brush to me, but on this little pencil brush, we're gonna mix that coral and that red again, and this is gonna be our lower lash line color. Taking this Wet n Wild, like large eyeshadow brush thing, I don't know, I'm just gonna blend this out, make it not so harsh on the bottom. I'm gonna take that same pencil brush that we packed on the orange on the inner corner and mix those two, like these two shades right here, this like coral and this lighter orange, which was our like middle shade, and we're gonna make sure that these blend on the bottom. One more time, blending all this out. I'm also going to take this and blend up here, that R34, and blend everything up, make it not so harsh as well. Since that red turned out to be more, I guess, pink, I'm gonna take this like purpley shade and try and deepen the outer corners just a little bit, and I'm just like barely gonna tap and blend just to see if this does the trick. It does definitely deepen it. Taking a flat definer brush, this is the Morphe M432. I'm gonna take this purpley shade right here, and we're going to like deepen the lower lash line by just placing this as close to the lashes as possible and then blending that out. Okay, I'm gonna take the Infallible like eyeshadow from L'Oreal in the shade Ice Latte, which is basically just like a really pretty champagne-y color. And I'm going to take this Sonia Kashuk flat shader brush, and this is going to be my brow bone highlight. I really need to get my brows done, but that's okay. So yeah, this is like a super all matte look. I don't think I've ever done an all matte look on my channel before. So, oh my god. Firsts for a lot of things in one video. Okay, so I'm gonna go do my eyeliner and mascara off camera, and I'll be back. I might even do my eyebrows even a little bit more intense since this eye look turned out to be so in your face. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I did darken my eyebrows, I put on mascara, I put on eyeliner. I used the Punch liner from Colourpop, which is the yellow pencil eyeliner. And I do have to shout out this freaking liquid eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner in black. And oh my god, where has this been the past like 4 years? Because wow, this is so amazeballs. I have been trying to practice my wings with this because it's actually really, really nice, and nothing like the NYC liner at all. This is so much better, and this is gonna be my new fave. So for lips, I think I'm gonna go just really plain because obviously the eyes are so bold. So I'm gonna take Naked by Urban Decay, just a plain lipstick. The shade is basically like a Your Lips but better, but I am going to layer it with I believe this is called Mirage. Yeah, from NYX in their high voltage lipstick formula, which I think is now the turned up. I don't know what exactly, but Mirage from NYX. It's a great nude. So I think that completes everything in this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me experiment with the whole corally red that turned out to be more pink than red, but whatever. And I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. I have a few videos up my sleeve, so I'm really excited to film those and put those out for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I keep saying that. Make sure to click the subscribe and like buttons, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye guys.